I'm Brian Van, here with a special edition STG Kick-Ass Helmet Graphic of the Week. Warning, this entire video is full of unnecessary profanity. Okay, inside of the Fly Racing Helmet Garage, man, we've got something for you this time. This may be the best one ever. Today, we've got the Waffle House helmet. This thing is band certified for morning time, culinary excellence, my man. If you're a serious operator fixing to burn some hot laps at the track, you already know that you need fuel to get that done. And let me assure you, there's no better place to start your day than the motherfucking Waffle House. When I go to the Waffle House, I like to get myself a mess of original recipe waffles. I don't put any of those pansy-ass chocolate chips or any bullshit in my waffles. I just take them straight. No butter, no bullshit, original recipe. To keep the exhaust pipe clean, I like to chase that down with about 4 scrambled eggs, the whole mess of jalapenos on top. This breakfast is Van certified to take your riding to the next level. Get some Waffle House, motherfucker. If you don't like the Waffle House, you.